Buying an automobile is a major expense for individuals and families. Protect yourself against the rising repair costs of mechanical failures with the Vehicle Protection Plan. Vehicles are one of the fastest-growing technological devices. With mechanical systems powered by sophisticated software and monitoring systems, it is now more important than ever to avoid the cost of unexpected repairs and keep you on the road. Unexpected repair costs can create challenges and financial burden. With the Vehicle Protection Plan, you can help protect against many unexpected repair costs. The Vehicle Protection Plan provides a reliable range of coverage levels to better meet your needs, so you can rest assured knowing you're protected against certain costly repairs. The plan includes additional valuable benefits while your vehicle is undergoing a covered repair. Be sure to ask about a Vehicle Protection Plan today and enjoy your new vehicle tomorrow and all tomorrows ahead.